Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to give your house a beautiful look using some canvases. You can take any size of canvas. These canvases are 12 by 18 inches. First, start drawing your lines with a pencil. Like I'm going to give it a focus here. You can see my lines in a darker version of it. Then I used some clear glue and I started drawing over the lines. By the time that all the lines were done, I started to use some glitters and spread it on them. I used black glitter on the first one and then went for lighter shades on the next two canvases. You can use a wider shape of the brush for the wider spaces and a narrower brush for the branches, just to prevent putting too much glue on the branches. Other than that, the glue is going to stick to the other sides that you don't want, but if things happens, you can just clean them up. I use the same method to draw the leaves on the branches. And here we go with the second method of using canvases. First, draw your lines and then start painting over them. You can draw anything, any lines is okay. I use water paint for this project because water paint is very easy to work with, and if anything happened to it, you can just clean it with water easily. And then I use some glitter glues to give it a sparkly look. I hope you like this project. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Comment below if you'd like me to do more of these projects. Thank you for watching.